Hello, this is my AGPTek MP3 Player A12, and it just arrived. It's pretty new, and I'm going to make it more waterproof. The last one died because of water. We have this thing, of course, included to make it better waterproof than probably the last one. But I had the problem that the water came in here where you plug in the headphones, because it's like there's a hole connected to the whole circuit inside. So we gonna open it up. I started off here at the mini SD slot. It's pretty easy to put the knife in there, like, and then I could go over here, and that's pretty easy to open. Be careful if you open it. This is probably the Bluetooth sensor or the Bluetooth. Okay, I was able to move the cable around here so we could open it as much as we can, and indeed we have the same flaw as the old one. Okay, I also removed the battery now, and you can see, I hope you can see it over there when I plug this in. Did you see that there's a slight change in color over there? So there's a hole going from the outside to the inside, and especially if you use Bluetooth, this is purely open because there's also a hole in this watery case, right? So if you use it outside with heavy rain, then you might destroy your MP3 player. You of course have the same problem with the mini SD, micro SD slot and the USB port, but there are no openings in this case here, so you might be lucky. So this should be no problem. And I'm going to fix this with the glue gun now. As you can hopefully see, I glued this part. I glued the holes here. We have holes on the top, we have holes on the side. And I glued this part here and here. But I stopped gluing the rest because I'm going to seal this from the outside. Small side note. You see this thing? And you probably see the shape over here. They should fit together when you put everything together now. Okay, the surgery is finished so far. I also sealed this slot on the side, like with a butter knife. I can of course always open it and use it again if I want to. Unfortunately, regarding the USB port, I a little bit overdid it. So the glue went inside the USB port, which was not really good and not fun to remove again. So maybe it's a good idea to plug in the USB cable, then glue it, and then take out the USB cable, to prevent that the glue is going inside this thing.